Real and apparent depths. Object is lying at the bottom of the pot. Liquid is filled up to here, and refractive index of the liquid is mu. Outside there is air. A real depth is this much, and apparent depth is this much. It means AO is real depth and AI is apparent depth. Now consider the situation. Suppose a ray starts from O and it travels like this. When it reaches at point B, now since there is a rarer medium, so it will move away from the normal. Now, if we produce this ray backward, it seems that it is meeting at point I. So this is the image of O. Now, let's write the relation. So from Snell's law, here, suppose this is water and this is air outside. So we write refractive index of air with respect to water, W mu A equal to sine I divided by sine R. Now sine I from this triangle BAO, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is equal to AB divided by hypotenuse is BO divided by sine R in triangle ABI. Perpendicular is AB divided by hypotenuse is BI. So W mu A is equal to AB will cancel out and we will get BI divided by BO. We make some assumptions. We assume that BI is roughly equal to AI. This BI is roughly equal to AI and BO is roughly equal to AO. If we put these values here, so it will become AI divided by AO. Now, we know from principle of reversibility, W mu A equal to 1 upon A mu W. Let's recall it. A mu W multiplied by W mu A equal to 1, from where we get W mu A equal to 1 upon A mu W. And that is mu because refractive index of air is taken to be 1 and refractive index of water is taken to be mu. So we write W mu A equal to 1 upon mu. So here we write 1 upon mu, we cross multiply. So AO equal to mu times AI, which means mu equal to AO divided by AI. AO is a real depth divided by AI is apparent depth. Now we are going to find out normal shift. Normal shift means how much the object seems to be shifted. So normal shift will be equal to AO minus AI, that is OI. So suppose this is D. So let's evaluate it. Normal shift D equal to AO minus AI. As we have studied that AO upon AI equal to mu. So we can say that AI is equal to AO upon mu. So D equal to AO minus AO upon mu. Here in this diagram, if we take a real depth as D, which is AO, then T minus T divided by mu equal to D, or D equal to T times 1 minus 1 upon mu. That is normal shift equal to real depth times 1 minus 1 upon refractive index of liquid second. Thank you for watching.